Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to be redoing the black on my car. I recently did it a couple weeks ago with the Chemical Guys VRP bottle, but unfortunately as soon as it rained it came right off, which it doesn't specify on the VRP bottle that it can't be with water, but Chemical Guys commented on a post and they said that yes, their products are used in LA where it doesn't rain a lot. So once it rained, it literally dripped down the door panel. There was like oil smears down the door panel. So I would not recommend using it if it rains any more than once every couple days. I would wait. If it doesn't rain until like once a month, then yeah, but you're probably gonna have to redo it. So I use Meguiars. I've actually used it multiple times. So stay tuned to see how it turns out. Hi guys, so I used the Chemical Guys Black Restore a couple weeks ago in a previous video, and the next day it rained and it all dripped off the door panel. So I'm going to be redoing it with the Meguiars Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. I have used this in the past and it works really well. So I'm going to see how long it lasts this time. here's the final result. The door handles took 3 or 4 coats, but those were also the lightest. Here's the bumper. And here is the front of the car. Hi guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.